Hi, dear students. Let's see this question that was asked from the topic of optics. Over here, uh, we are being asked that, like, if you read the question, frosted glass is widely used for translucent windows. The region where a transparent adhesive tape is stuck over the frosted glass becomes transparent. The most reasonable explanation for this is. So first we will understand what is happening over here. I have taken the picture of a frosted glass. So basically you can see that a glass whose surface has been made slightly rough. Okay, it's not even surface, it's rough. So this makes it translucent. Okay, on the other hand, if we put some kind of glue such that it is it has same refractive index, so what will happen? This will become transparent. Let us see why. Okay, so basically, suppose I'm going to take two scenarios. This is a glass surface which is rough. Okay, that means sorry if you see the top part using the microscope, so you will see that it has become like this. Okay, this type of surface. Okay, using microscope. Okay, on the other hand, if we take a glue, okay, and if you put a glue over here, then since glue is a liquid, and liquid is basically liquid can fill up the gaps over here. So liquid will fill all the gap over here, and this type of surface will become perfectly even. Okay, imagine we pour water over here, so this water will become will pour this will fill up this gap, and the surface will become perfectly even. Now what happens if water if no, now what happens if the glue is also of same refractive index which is of this glass? So in this case, what we can say, this will be a one uniform object which has same refractive index, right? Now, in this case, if an object is kept over here, so the light will perfectly travel. So for example, it will go like this and it will go like this. So this goes straight. Okay, this is 90, this is 90. So some ray which will bend over here. Okay, so it will go like this and again it will go like this. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to show, we will have a perfect image at one location for a near normal incidence. So if you consider near normal incidence, we will find one particular image, and it will, so any observer who is looking this object from this side will be able to see this. So basically this object will be viewable to this observer. So you can see that this thing is acting as a transparent window. Okay, this thing is acting as a transparent window, right? But what happens over here in this case? Suppose this light goes like this. Okay, so now this is not a this is not a parallel. This is ये जो line है, this is not parallel to this line. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Ray will refract at a random angle. ठीक है, let's say it refracts like this. On the other hand, this ray will again refract at a random angle. So you can see that different rays will refract at a different angle. So you're not going to get one particular image. Okay, so any observer who tries to look at this object will not be able to see this object. तो ये वाला part translucent जैसे act कर रहा है, and this part is acting as perfect transparent. So what is required over here? Basically, if you put a glue which has same refractive index, so this will basically behave as one uniform object, right? So I hope you were able to understand the reason for that. Now if you go back to options, so option C is exactly what I have told. Refractive index of the adhesive glue is close to that of glass. So in this case the thing will become transparent. Or rest of the options does not make sense for this given situation. Okay, so I hope you were able to understand. That's it. Thank you.